Buick Encore 2013 to 2022 1.4 engine. To remove the door panel, unscrew the bolt behind the door release handle and the second one under the armrest. Using a plastic trim tool, pry the door panel to release the 7 clips holding it in place. Then lift the panel upward and pull it toward you. Finally, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.